Welcome back to my channel. I'm Trey, the DIY Ninja, and today we are going to be unboxing the Summer Infant My Size Potty and putting it together. So my baby is almost 2 years old and he's showing a lot of interest in the potty and flushing, but he doesn't tell me that he needs to go. But I decided to just get him started and at least get him his own potty so he can get used to sitting on it and practice taking on and off his pants and things like that. I also bought these training pants. These look awfully big though, from Amazon. This potty is also from Amazon. I'll have the links down below in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. But in the meantime, let's get unboxing. Yeah. Alright, so we have the box open and here's baby. He's really excited about his potty. Baby, be careful please. And let's just see what's inside. Okay, this potty is really small. A lot smaller than I was expecting. These are all the pieces it comes with. Hopefully you can see. This looks like the backrest. This is the main potty itself. It has a lid that opens and a bucket that comes up. The pee and poo collector. Okay, put this back down. And looks like this is the lid to the top of the potty here. I'm assuming it's this way because it has a little compartment. Yeah, this for sure will not hold a regular size wipe. Let me do that. And then it has this box with the flusher that I believe I have to screw in somehow. So yeah, I'm going to open this and see what that's about. Okay, so this here has these annoying wire thingies, which I will have to take apart. But yeah, and I believe I'll have to attach it here. Oh, what's in here? There's a compartment in here. Oh, this is the pee shield that I have to attach onto the actual potty there. And this little compartment. So this is the compartment for wipes. That's really small. That does not fit anything. And this is extra storage, I guess, for underwear. Well, let me just put this together and then we'll do a whole review on it. But he's really liking it so far. What you do in the toilet, baby? You poo-poo? Yeah, poo-poo in the toilet. Here, put this back. Put it back, because when you actually use it, you don't want to take this out. Only mommy do that. Okay? Sir? Sir? Okay, put it back, please. Okay, close it. Good job. And what do you do in the toilet, in the potty?
Open potty.
You open it. No, when you actually use it, you don't have to open this, baby.
Potty.
Potty.
Timer.
Alright, let's get to assembling. So I'm gonna just see if this works. It actually works! Cool! Very cool. Okay, so it already comes with batteries, which is awesome. Alright, let's put this together. Okay, so I finally got the flusher out, and taped on the side are two tiny little screws. So I'm assuming we'll have to screw this in somewhere. So I just kind of snapped the flusher into this top area, and it looks like I have to screw this part in, oops, and this section in just to secure the flusher. And then I would put it in here to make the toilet. This is the back of the toilet. And then it has this little area for wipes, it says, but no way this would fit any pack of wipes. It's so small. But yeah, so I'm gonna screw those screws in and be right back. Okay, so I'm having trouble screwing these things all the way in because they're so tiny. But I mean, here's the other one, and they look crooked. Yeah, it's super crooked. I mean, if it will focus. Yeah, it's crooked. That one's crooked. And this one, I believe, is also crooked. But we'll try to fix that later. I mean, it'll hold for now. Here's the finished potty. It's really small. Baby, don't move, please.
Don't move.
What?
Don't move.
Okay. It's kind of flimsy, I must say. Like, this P guard can easily be, like, pushed off and fall into the stuff here. Oh, peach on peas? But yeah, I would say putting in the flusher would probably take the most time. Also, this back part is really flimsy. I don't understand. It doesn't snap in unless I'm just not strong enough. And this part here is kind of loose. This is really small. So, I don't know. I mean, let's just put it there and compare to the size of my toddler. It looks like too small for him even. So I don't know. So far he does not want to sit in it, but we'll give it a try later. Alright, honey. Now let's go take a look at the training underwear that we got. Okay, I take it back. I think I have to unscrew that and screw it into this hole here. Right there. So I'm going to give that a try. That was so dumb. Yeah, so once I screwed this in, it fit perfectly. It was super easy. Now it's so sturdy. I was wondering what was going on there. And then I just put in this top lid. There we go. Snap that in. This part still is a little bit... Not very impressed with this part, but I mean, I guess it'll do. It's supposed to come on and off easily so you can store like extra underwear in here. But yeah, like the reviews said online, like, I don't know, maybe I should try to put some wipes in there and see if it fits. Like this, like if a child's getting in and it just pushes it, it can like, it's not that secure. But, oh well. I mean, it does work, I guess. Alright, let's try to put some wipes in here and see how that looks. So here is the compartment for wipes, and here is half a pack of wipes. No way this would fit in here at all. So, yeah. Guess you can just put this on top. Not as cute though. That's kind of annoying. That's probably the major downside of this my size potty. But other than that, it's pretty good. And it does have this cool flushing noise. And yeah, I'm excited for him to use it. And I like the fact that it looks just like a regular toilet, so kids don't get confused and they feel like grown up and big like the one that we use. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay. I'm opening these training pants from Amazon. And I got these in a 3T because he is currently wearing 3T clothing, and I also wanted it. I wasn't sure if it would shrink in the wash or what, but yeah, it feels pretty nice. Kind of like a cloth diaper. It'll definitely hold maybe like one session of pee, and hopefully the poop in. But yeah, very cool. Let's see if like maybe, so I put the wipes in here in the big compartment, and let's see if it will hold maybe just an extra pair of undies in the small one. I mean, I could probably fold it neater. Let's see. I folded it up a little neater. Let's see. I mean, I guess, but even then, I don't know what this compartment's for. It's so small, it doesn't stay closed, but I guess it'll do. I mean, it's probably easier to just leave these out separately, and put this out, because that's really inconvenient to try to access it. Alright, honey, you can sit on your potty. Maybe I'll put books in here. Who knows? And maybe like car toys to keep them busy. Who knows? Anyways, there is the Summer Infant My Size Potty. let's go put this bad boy in the bathroom. So here is our potty setup. So in this useless compartment, I just put some like bags to store his dirty diapers in. And on the side I have his pull-ups and pack of wipes. And that's about it. Go ahead. You want to sit down, baby? Now he's done. Okay. But yeah, this is his little toilet section. And it's right across from the adult potty. So yeah, hopefully he'll give it a try soon. Wish me luck. Okay, here are the training pants that I bought from Amazon. Training panties. They're really good. They feel really nice quality. They're super cute designs. They're all dinosaurs, so if you have a dinosaur lover, they will surely enjoy this. I'm going to give these a wash, and then I'll see how they fit. But yeah, we're preparing for potty training. I tried to let my son sit on the potty. He was not having it. So I don't know if he's ready, but at least I have everything ready when he is ready. But yeah, thanks for joining us in this video of the My Size Potty from Summer Infant Review, and also these training pants, training panties, training underwear from Amazon. Here is the QR code that came in the package for the pants, the underwear, and remember to subscribe, thumbs up, ring the bell to be notified of when I post next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!